have by today. It's my first time doing a YouTube video, but I'm Donnie's and say hi, Aisha.
Hi.
Today we are doing Floodscape 2, and yeah, I hope you liked the video and subscribe and give a like. If we reach 2,000 likes, then I will do another video of Floodscape 2. But let's begin. Mama, stop. Okay, I'm in the lobby. I'm waiting to him. Is it your first time playing? I'm not doing crime because my first time.
Yeah, it's the first time.
And yeah, I'm talking.
Alright, fine.
And you cannot hear me. I will fix that. If I watch my YouTube video, but I hope. And don't forget to drop the little green thing. You press it, then tell me.
The bell thing?
The bell thing. Then tell me.
I know what that's called. That's called notification.
Yeah, notification. And yeah. Plus, tell me you did it. Then I will give you 3 Roblox soon. First, let's begin. We are almost starting hard mode. Let's speed this up, guys. I'm really good, but hard is not really good for me. Let's do it. Okay, 9. Exactly one, Mama. Okay, we are actually parkour. Okay. Oh shoot! I dropped. Shoot. I'm really good on parkour, but I'm sorry I did that. Okay, this is the don't know Floodscape 2. It's the same thing like Floodscape 1, but better. Not give me more. We have to go in the reactor.
You'll die.
No, I'm not. I'm getting another one. Okay.